Good morning guys, welcome to Looking Into Problems. Today we have another video. In this video we will be using SamFlash v4.1 to remove FRP on this Samsung A04E. First, let's check if we are indeed locked outside. It says an authorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default. Connect to a Wi-Fi network to verify your identity. Okay, let's just connect to the internet.
You can only have it, get a put it on the low. Never give it to another nigga, keep it private. Throw a middle finger to your ex and leave it hanging. He doesn't deserve you even though we keep so cold. He's a tragic chapter in your life, I'm the savior. Actions I will never put your heart, no receivable. You can let me keep it, girl, I'll put it on my necklace. Tell me when you want it, Tell me when you want it, Tell me when you want it, I'll make you love it. I swear to you, I'll make you love it. I'll make you love it. I swear to you, I'll make you love it. Tell me when you want it. Do you have my number? Yes. Call me when you need my love. I can make it next day better than your other day. I can make it Saturday. Sun will go another field. The virus from another world. I can be your alien. Fuck you on your spaceship. Treat you like a cat and I'll reach you to your destiny. I promise yourself right. I'll treat you like a first time. Tell me for the next stop. Girl, I'm stopping anyway. Girl, you fucking non-stop. I can make it last long. Fuck you till never call. I penetrate Lego. We're about to make that movie and put my face in your booty. So I mean your boobs, say I can eat that burrito. That booty big like
Hey guys, please, I'll be adding odds on the beginning of my videos, and I'll make sure they won't take more than 15 seconds, so that we can get some few money from the channel, because there are a lot of things that we need to buy tools. I need to buy a lot of things. I need to do some researches. I need to gather information around and bring it back to the channel, and those things need money. And I will never ask for any cash to my subscribers. I'll never ask for donations, because we are here today by God's will. God is going to provide, and the only thing that I will add some odds in my videos. And please, if it happens that you see one maybe in the middle of the video, bear with me and just let it play for 15 seconds, so that we can get paid, and we grow as a channel, we grow as a community, we get money to do more researches. I'll pause the video because I don't want this video to be more than 5 minutes. Oh, now it says put your password, because I don't know that password. So today we'll be checking if we can still open this phone today on 2024, which is 17 November 2024. Samsung A04E using SamFlash 4.1, SamFlash volume 4.1. So what we need to do first is to put this phone on the download mode. First we have to power it off. Once it's powered off, you hold volume up, volume down, and you insert your USB, which is attached to the computer. Just keep on holding. Voila. Now it's gonna ask you to press volume up to continue. So press volume up, press volume down to cancel, and side key to show bar. Side key is the power key. So now volume up, we continue. So on the system, on my laptop, we go to utils, and then under utils there's Samsung MTK FRP O10. See, it's reading erase protection data, waiting for device. Erase FRP data. Voila, congratulations guys.
Tell me when you want it, Tell me when you want it, Tell me when you want it, I'll make you love it, I swear to you, I'll make you love it, I'll make you love it, I swear to you, I'll make you love it, Tell me when you want it, She been coming over for some time and I love it. She is ever meant to give the love, know some love shit. Every now and then she call me love, give me that dick. Now I have a full of reason to erase my last chick. Tell me anytime and when you need it, I can give it. You can only have it, get a put it on the lockdown. Never give it to another.
So now let's confirm if our phone is open. This is Samsung A04E. Connected. Let me say forget. I want to forget this network. And then there is a skip there. Let's use this skip. Voila.
Number hits, call me when you need my love. I can make it next day, better than your other day. I can make it Saturday, try we go another field. The virus from another world. I can be your alien, fuck you on your spaceship, treat you like a cat tender, reach you to your destiny. I promise yourself right, I'll treat you like a first time. Tell me for the next stop, girl I'm stopping anyway. Girl you fucking non-stop, I can make it last long. Fuck you till never call. I penetrate Lego. We're about to make that movie and put my face in your booty. So I'm in your boobs, eh? I can eat that burrito. That booty big like burrito. Tell me when you want it, Tell me when you want it,
But we are here to help. Just come and shout out whatever you want your help with. I want to say thank you, bye. It's me, your host, King of South, signing out.
She been coming over for some time and I love it. She is ever meant to give the love, know some love shit. Every now and then she call me love, give me that dick. Now I have a full of reason to erase my last chick. Tell me anytime and when you need it, I can give it. You can only have it, get a put it on the lockdown. Never give it to another nigga, keep it private. Throw a middle finger to your ex and leave it hanging. He doesn't deserve you even though we keep some calling. He's a tragic chapter in your life, I'm the savior. I says I will never put your heart, not a single word. You can let me keep it, girl, I'll put it on my neck, right? Tell me when you want it,